In a surprising move, KTM has relaunched 790 Duke in several international markets. It was originally launched in 2017 and had emerged as a popular choice in its segment, but it was quickly replaced by 890 Duke in 2021. KTM 790 Duke 2022 model is largely the same as earlier. The bike was fully loaded at the time of its original launch, and much of the equipment is relevant even today. The makers have kept the bike's design the same without any major upgrades in place. The only upgrade considering the looks is the new grey-black color option. The features of the bike are the same as at the time of launch. Powering the bike is the same 799 cubic centimeters engine as earlier. The parallel twin, liquid-cooled motor generates 105 horsepower and 87 Nm of peak torque. It is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The only difference is that this engine now complies with Euro 5 emission norms. The powertrain is managed by an advanced ride-by-wire system, which significantly enhances ride dynamics. Coupled with its lightweight body, the bike offers improved fuel efficiency. That's around 14 miles on a litre of fuel or around 64 miles per gallon. In Europe, the latest 790 Duke bears a price figure of €8,999. There is no official information on the 790 Duke's launch in the USA yet. However, you can expect it anytime soon. If KTM wants to go after the popular Triumph Trident, the 790 Duke could be positioned as a formidable rival.